children.
Hello, dear children. Today I will tell you about something very interesting in the world of computers. We will talk about interpreters. These are special programs that help computers understand what to do. Imagine that a computer is like a big, very fast calculator that needs help to understand what we are saying. An interpreter is just that helper. At the playground, the bee and the guinea pig met. The bee started to talk about how she tried to teach the computer a new trick, but the computer would not listen. The guinea pig suggested that maybe the computer needs a translator, like an interpreter. The bee thought that an interpreter is someone who translates human language into computer language. Both animals started laughing, imagining a computer with ears. In the end, I explained to them that an interpreter is a program that translates instructions step by step. By the pond, the puppy and the rat were talking about their adventures with computers. The puppy was telling how he tried to write a program, but the computer would not run it. The rat remembered that an interpreter can help in such situations by translating the program into a language the computer understands. The puppy realized that an interpreter works like a translator, helping the computer understand what to do. In the end, I explained that an interpreter translates programs in real time, allowing us to quickly check if everything works correctly. By the tree, the kitten and the ladybug were wondering how an interpreter works in practice. I asked them how they would explain it. The kitten said that an interpreter is like a teacher who explains each lesson one by one. The ladybug added that it is like building a house with blocks, where each block is one step of the program. Both animals were right. An interpreter translates the program step by step, allowing for quick fixes and learning. I hope you now understand the important role that interpreters play in the world of computers. They help computers understand our commands by translating them into a language that computers can comprehend. Thanks to interpreters, we can quickly check if our programs work correctly and make the necessary changes. Thank you for this adventure together, and I look forward to seeing you next time.